Hello guys, good morning. Today I will show you there's a big tree, this one. There's a big wood. This playing in this one I shall show you three machine available here. The big factory is the peeling and available debarking machine. I will now show you this one is the debarking machine. As the problem is mechanical problem. This one is important machine is a debarking. This one is blade. Come here once again. This is blade. As a putting here wood, then peeling here. This rotating style is big and slowly rotating. After that, skin is removing. After going here. After that, working here. Come. This one is the peeling machine. Big peeling machine. This one is Chinese peeling machine. As a rotating style here. I putting here first time here, then here putting. This one blade is this one blade. Okay, here. This one big blade. Then machine system is here, all of is how many millimeter, all of machine system. After that, you will putting wood, then rotate. Peeling is coming here. This one 4. This one 4 is coming here. This type coming. Okay. After shade cutting. After full mission is available here as the mission big. After the I will show you this one big mission as important mission. A small wood or small wood, small wood. So that mission is a debarking. That mission working, small mission. All skin are removed this mission. After that, big this one big wood, big wood cutting is here. Lifting, then putting here tight. This one important tight. After that, two blade available here. So rotating this type. Skin are removing. After that, going that mission. Okay, fine. Come here, brother, come here. Big wood are available here. This is rotating shell. After that, coming here. Coming is the smallest. This one skin. The skin are coming here. After that, our good feeling mission. Then core are ready. Then he is going big factory. After that, making in plywood. Okay. This core cutting machine. This one is core cutting machine. This putting here. This type. This white. This type. Putting here. That is cutting. Not available here. Big one. Okay. This one. Okay. This type cutting. Core. This small type of core. All core going to big factory. After that, making plywood manufacture company. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will show all mission are keep supporting. Okay.